How do you set ML model alerting thresholds effectively? Imagine your machine learning model is like a car on a busy highway. To keep it running smoothly, you need to know when something is off before it causes a crash. That's where setting alerting thresholds comes in. It's about finding the right balance so you catch real issues without being overwhelmed by false alarms. First, you want to understand how your model behaves under normal conditions. Think of it as knowing the usual speed and traffic patterns on your route. You can analyze historical data to see what typical performance looks like. For example, if your model predicts sales, check past months to see what accuracy or error rates are normal. This helps you set realistic thresholds that reflected actual performance. Next, decide whether to use static or dynamic thresholds. Static thresholds are fixed numbers, like setting a maximum error rate of 5%. They are simple but can become outdated if data patterns change. Dynamic thresholds adjust automatically based on real-time data, which is useful if your model's performance varies over time. They use algorithms to learn what normal looks like and flag deviations. When setting thresholds, test them thoroughly. Run simulations with different data scenarios to see if alerts trigger appropriately. For example, if your model's error rate jumps above the threshold during testing, it signals a potential issue. If it doesn't, you might need to lower the threshold. This process helps you avoid missing real problems or generating too many false alarms. Monitoring data drift is also key. Over time, the data your model sees can change, making previous thresholds less effective. Regularly check for shifts in data distribution and adjust your thresholds accordingly. If your model starts to perform worse, raising the alert threshold might prevent unnecessary alerts, while lowering it can catch new issues early. In the world of AI development and deployment, setting these thresholds is vital for keeping models like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney performing well. It ensures you get timely alerts when something's wrong without overwhelming your team with false alarms. Always remember, transparency matters. Make sure your team understands how thresholds are set and why they might change over time. This way, everyone stays informed and can respond quickly to real issues. By carefully choosing and adjusting alerting thresholds, you keep your machine learning models reliable and effective, ready to deliver consistent results.